Want to know the shocking truth about minimalism? Stick around to discover what real minimalists don't do. In today's video, we're diving into the core of minimalism by highlighting the things that real minimalists avoid. Minimalism isn't just about decluttering, it's a mindset and lifestyle choice that focuses on intentional living. So, let's explore what real minimalists don't do and how these principles can help you live a more meaningful life. First up, real minimalists don't chase material possessions or follow consumer trends. Minimalists focus on what truly adds value to their lives rather than what's trendy or popular. This means resisting the urge to buy the latest gadgets or fashion items just because they're in vogue. Instead, they prioritize quality and functionality over quantity and fads. For example, a minimalist wardrobe contains timeless, versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched, rather than an abundance of fast fashion items that go out of style quickly. Secondly, real minimalists avoid clutter and unnecessary items in their living spaces. They practice the principle of less is more by keeping only what they need and love. This not only creates a serene and organized environment, but also reduces stress and increases productivity. In a minimalist kitchen, you'll find only the essential appliances and utensils, each serving a clear purpose. This simplicity makes daily routines smoother and more enjoyable. As we continue, kindly hit that like and subscribe button for more minimalist content like this. Next, minimalists don't succumb to the pressure of constant upgrades and purchases. Whether it's the newest smartphone or the latest car model, minimalists are content with what they have, as long as it serves its purpose well. They avoid the endless cycle of upgrading and instead focus on maintaining and appreciating their current possessions. By choosing to repair and maintain rather than replace, minimalists save money and reduce environmental impact. Another key point is that real minimalists don't engage in excessive spending or impulse buying. They practice mindful consumption, considering each purchase carefully and avoiding the trap of retail therapy. This financial discipline helps them achieve greater financial freedom and peace of mind. Minimalists often use lists and set budgets to stay focused on their needs and avoid unnecessary expenditures. Minimalists don't define themselves by material possessions or external markers of success. They find value and identity in experiences, relationships, and personal growth, rather than in owning things. This shift in perspective fosters a deeper sense of fulfillment and happiness. For minimalists, success is measured by the richness of their experiences and the strength of their connections, not by the size of their house or the brand of their clothes. Real minimalists avoid chasing material possessions, cluttering their spaces, succumbing to constant upgrades, engaging in excessive spending, and defining themselves by material wealth. By steering clear of these habits, they create a life that's rich in meaning, purpose, and contentment. Embracing minimalism can lead to a more peaceful and fulfilling existence. If you've reached this far, don't forget to check out our other videos on minimalism and related topics. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more minimalist living tips. See you in this next video.